Well, here's the Gravely collection. 12 horse, 4-foot Snowblade, dual wheels, probably from the 70s, I guess. These are all eBay tractors. Sickle mower, 40-inch, and then there's the Dog Eater snowblower for my 62, I guess. I think it has a 62 with 30-inch bush hog, 6.6. Here's the Snow Cannon, 34-inch snowblower for the 12 horse. Here's 12 horsepower, 5665. Another all eBay with a 30-inch bush hog on the front. Gonna be painted soon. I can't wait. Here's a better look at the 6.6, 30-inch. Cool old machines. And there's the Sulky. Here's another shot of the 12. And the Sulky over there. And here's the new one. My ProMaster 50. It's really a 16 horsepower with the 50-inch mower on the front. 0 turn, individual wheel brakes. 16 horsepower. It's been around a little bit, but I think it's cool. I'm going to use it for cutting my weeds. It's really a 12 horsepower like my others, 2-wheel tractors, suspended from this frame. It pivots on the wheel axle. And it even has the handles like the 12s. Anyway, it's got a steering wheel. Cool tractor. I'll know it better after I mow a couple times. I'm waiting for some grass seed to get a little more stable. Anyway, that's the scoop.